What's up, guys? Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having an awesome Friday. Beautiful day out here. It's a little cold, but beautiful day. Can't complain. Today I'm going to talk about these gate jacks. We put a video up on our channel 3 or 4 weeks ago where we were using these gate jacks, hanging some gates down with Colt. We're moving some cattle, building some fence, hanging some new gates. A lot of people were really into these gate jacks. They thought they were pretty handy, so just had a lot of questions on them, and so since it requires a little bit of welding, we wanted to put this video here on my channel to give you guys some insight on how to go about putting these things together. Real simple. 2 jacks. An important feature is the cranking mechanism on the side, not on the top. That way, because on the top it's going to get into your gate's going to hang right here, so you don't want that in your way. And then that's the most expensive part on this project, is just your gate jacks. Or I mean, it's just your trailer jacks. And then you just build something coming off of the same side, the opposite side of your cranking. I just put a piece of 2-inch square tubing with angle. When I first built these, I put the angle out here on the end, but we learned that different gates you hang, these pieces of angle don't always fit in there. I guess I could always make these shorter. Constantly learning all the time. Anyway, so we moved them back, but these are handy to have them closer to here, because if you got these things kind of high, if these are way out here, it can sometimes get heavy out there. But be as creative as you want, you know. You can make different options, different things to slide on here to, you know, to hang different gates. I mean, there's all kinds of different things you can do. These are just ones I've had for a long time, but anyway, that brings me to my next deal is the platform. The platform, this is 1/2-inch plate right in here, so it's kind of heavy. But that's good. Heavy's not bad down there, because you want it to be heavy down there. That way it don't get top heavy. With a pretty heavy gate hanging up here, it can get top heavy sometimes. And so it's kind of good to have these heavy down here. I just used 1.25-inch tubing out here. This is a 20 by 20 inch by 20 inch platform. So it's worked pretty good. A guy could always be, you know, put a little more thought into it, or a little more creative, or just make a gate jack that works for a certain situation. But these are pretty universal. We've used them a lot, and it makes your life a lot easier. It's like you can hang a gate all by yourself with these things. It's like having 2 hands helping you, you know. So no more bottle jack, no more bricks and shims and whatnot, because these things right here. Like I said, kind of pricey. I don't know how much these jacks are. It's been such a long time, but that's the most expensive part. And if you hang a lot of gates, well worth it. So, and it's got this adjustment here. That's another good thing about this specific jack, is the adjustment right here. That way, in case you're on a real unlevel area, you can get a lot of your height out of right here. That way you ain't got to crank as much with this. I hope you guys were able to get some ideas off of this. If you guys end up building you some, you're going to be glad you did. They're super helpful. Let us know if you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button to show us that you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos like this. Be looking forward to next week's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next video.